Yama, it's Jack here. Let's take a look at what's in the news. A lot of you probably use social media every day, and while it has its perks, experts say it can make kids think a little too much about how they look, and that can be unhealthy.
Yeah, social media is full of funny, sporty, and interesting stuff. But researchers say many of these posts can also affect the way kids look at themselves.
If you see lots of other people trying to change their features and what they look like, it could, and like trying to be cool, and if they like try and make you do that too, it could influence you.
A study from Flinders University in WA asked around 1,000 kids how much apps were influencing their thoughts. It found that kids who were on social media were more likely to develop body image issues. This means doing things like skipping meals and taking exercise a bit too far, which can lead to some unhealthy and dangerous habits. Experts say kids should always take a step back from social media posts and not compare themselves to others. See, the thing to remember is most people only post things they want others to see. But their real life might be kind of different.
Sometimes when people take photos, they use apps to make themselves look a bit better than they do.
And of course, there's a lot more to life than how you look.
I think you should just be yourself and not worry about what other people think.
Firefighters in New South Wales are facing some tough conditions today. Fires close to Sydney have flared up again, and the hot and windy weather is making it hard to keep them under control. Smoke is still hanging over the city as well, and if people are struggling, then authorities say it's better to stay indoors. Meanwhile, areas of the state that were badly burned in fires last month are slowly starting to recover. The New South Wales Forest Service posted these pictures of tiny plants growing on burnt trees, and its critter cams have caught sight of birds and even lace monitors coming to water stations for a drink. Australia's TV and film stars were out and about last night for the AACTA Awards. They're Australia's big movie and TV honours, and everyone's favourite cartoon won Best Kids TV Series.
Bluey!
Lego Masters Australia won Best Entertainment Program, and Spider-Man Far From Home won Best Visual Effects, because special effects company Luma Pictures in Melbourne worked on the film. Now let's check out a story about Australia's next generation of entrepreneurs. They're part of a program that's getting girls to think about being business leaders when they're older.
So, what's an entrepreneur? Well, it's someone who sets up a business or businesses, often by thinking of an idea and making it a reality. And these girls are learning what that takes. It's part of a new national program that's just been launched called Enterprising Women.
So today's learning a lot of entrepreneur skills for the future, learning how to set up businesses. Currently we're making a logo design brief on what we're making and also a prototype.
They're coming up with business ideas by working together, problem solving and thinking critically.
It's interesting to see how many steps you have to get through to make the product work, but I think like our team's working really well to try and make up a better future for our community.
They also have to pitch their idea to possible investors.
Our team plans to conquer this challenge by creating a new youth centre to provide more...
They say the workshop's been a great way to learn some practical skills, and the government's hoping to bring this program to heaps of other girls right across the country.
This decade is nearly over, and that got us thinking about what the next decade might be like. So this next segment is full of futuristic fabulousness. This might just look like a really high-tech vending machine. But, well, actually I guess it kind of is. This is Cafe X, a robotic arm that can make and serve more than 10 orders within minutes. I guess this is what a futuristic barista looks like. Japan has unveiled an Olympic satellite for the 2020 Games. Yep, that's the thing. For the first time ever, actually. It's set to be launched next year before the Games commence, and it'll beam back images of the 2 Olympic mascots on board. Because what else would you do with a satellite? And have you ever wondered what's in store for the future of lemons? No? Yeah, neither have I. But apparently it'll be Seedless. A company in the US has managed to naturally grow lemons without those pesky seeds.
Seeds are annoying. This solves a huge problem among those lemon growers and lovers out there.
I can just hear all the chefs, home cooks, and lemon enthusiasts rejoicing. Well, that's all the news we have for you today, but make sure to go and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more like this one. Go on.